Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with an Ekadashi special recipe. Today we will make everyone's favorite pizza muffins but with Ekadashi punch. This is very easy to make and a quick recipe also. So let's get started. First take a mixing bowl. Into this add 1/4 cup of oil. Into this add 1 cup of cheese. Add 1/4 cup buttermilk. Half teaspoon baking soda. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon chili flakes and 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Now using a spatula, mix all these ingredients well. Ekadashi tomato ketchup recipe link I have shared in the description box below. This has been mixed well. Further, we will add medium-sized 2 boiled and grated potatoes, half cup grated carrot, and half cup chopped capsicum, and add half cup chopped cabbage. Mix it well and evenly. You can add any vegetable that you eat on Ekadashi. During Ekadashi, especially the kids feel even more hungry than usual, but they would like fasting when you can give them something new like this. Our veggies have combined well. Further add 1 cup buckwheat flour or kuttuka atta. Combine it evenly. Instead of buckwheat flour, you can also use Rajgira atta. We need not add any water here as we need to make a dough like batter. It has combined well. We need to loosen it slightly. Now add 1/4 cup of buttermilk and mix it again. So totally I have used half a cup of buttermilk. Now our batter is ready. For baking, here I have taken paper cups and metal molds as well. Now grease the metal molds with oil so that the muffins come out easily. Similarly, grease all. There is no need to grease the paper cups. Next, we will fill each cup with the batter quickly. Do not overfill it. Only fill 3/4 of the cup. Similarly, fill all the cups. Now, for toppings, add some chopped capsicum, add it on all. Next, add some chopped tomatoes. Now finally add some cheese to make it more cheesier. At last, sprinkle some chili flakes. Done, and our pizza muffins are ready to get baked in an oven preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And now we will bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Now place the baking tray in the preheated oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, let's check. Wonderful! They have come out really well. Our pizza muffins are hot now. They are simply delightful and cheesy. Let the ones baked in metal molds cool down so that they come out easily, but you can offer the paper cup ones when they are hot. Now scrape out the edges. Just tap the bottom and it is out. For the paper cup muffins, just roll the sides so the edges separate. Now tap it and this too is out. Now let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our colorful and cheesy Ekadashi special pizza muffins are offered and ready. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Happy Ekadashi.